In the previous video, we set up a NC server on another computer. Now we will connect to that remote controller. First, go to iSquared.ca's download page and download and install ControlCoreProNC. This version of the Control Core will allow you to define network controller devices and create custom viewer applications. Make a new project and then add a network controller device. We can connect to the NC server directly by providing the IP of the computer it was installed on. We can also connect through the cloud by providing the name of the NC server. This is the same name you typed in after you installed the NC server. You can now define your network's topology. My NC server has an RS-45 with 2 devices under it. Let's scan status of the device 1 to make sure everything is working. Now let's download a new program to device 1. The new Control Core program was sent to NC server and then uploaded to the device. The network controller runs its own supervisory program. Devices under it can pull data from the network controller, and the network controller can pull data from devices. It can even pull data from the internet. We can use the weather value block to get the current temperature. Simply type in the country, city you want to get weather data from and select a parameter. Devices under the network controller can gain access to this weather block by defining an RAV that references the internal device of the network controller. You select internal COM with device address 0 and then select any block you defined in the network controller program. There you go. Now device 1 can use this weather data in its Control Core program. There are 2 new blocks, weather value, WV, and weather forecast value, WFV. These blocks can get the current weather conditions anywhere on the planet, and can also give you forecasted weather conditions. Let's take a look at other features that the network controller provides. We can pull value from the block tint on device address 1 using an RAV and use this value in the Control Core's supervisory program. We can also use RAVs to bridge 2 comms. Let me demonstrate. I will connect to my colleague's gateway. In the network controller program, I will pull the value tint from one of his devices. Then I will pull the value of that RAV onto my device. Now my device has access to data from the other COM, with the controller making the bridge possible. In this case, the controller is actually a PC running NC server, so it has nearly limitless amounts of space for its supervisory program. The iCore device will not have limitless space, but it will have a lot more space than any device. We are talking megabytes, not kilobytes. So you will have 1,000 times more space for the controller's program. If one of your programs inside a device is very tight on space, you might consider letting the controller's supervisory program handle some of the logic and use an RAV to get the resulting value. Once you have your project all set and running, you'll probably want to monitor the operations of your project and periodically set values. The Viewer Editor allows you to create custom views that do just that. The Viewer runs as a standalone Windows application, allowing end users to monitor your project from anywhere in real time. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to create your own custom views. This has been a short introduction to the network controller. We invite you to go try it out for yourself. Do not hesitate to contact us with any questions or comments. Thank you.